Central America, and today we are visiting Panama, and we are going to do a dish called Ropa Vieja. It's a pork dish. It's a shredded pork. So we'll brown the pork. So I have about 3 pounds of pork shoulder or pork butt here. It's a bone in, so you can see the bone. And then we'll cook it in a tomato-based sauce. So we have 2 types of chilies, a little bit of heat from Cayenne and a sweet paprika, some garlic and wine, oregano, cumin, peppers, 2 types of peppers. I have red bell pepper and green bell pepper, and some onions. And then to finish it, we have some olives. These are stuffed olives, and some vinegar. So first what we want to do is season the pork. I have a Dutch oven cooking on high heat to brown the meat. So the first thing I want to do, and this is a little bit of water and some baking soda. So this will help to brown the meat quickly, and then we'll season it very nicely with salt and pepper. So rub this well on all sides. So we'll salt and pepper this side first. Rub it in. We'll brown this on all sides. We'll cook the vegetables and some of the sauces and make the sauce. Put the pork in, cook it at 250 for about 3 hours covered. So let's start cooking. It is hot. We'll put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil here. And then we'll put the pork in. Cook it over high till it's brown. The pork has browned on one side, on 3 sides actually. So this is the 4th side. We'll brown this and then we'll remove it and then cook the vegetables. Pork is cooked. We took it out. I lowered the heat a little bit just to get the temperature down just a tad bit. And now we are going to add the onions. And the peppers. Add a little bit of salt. You can always adjust the salt. And a little bit of pepper. And we'll cook this till it's soft. The vegetables are soft, so we are going to add the garlic. Let's cook it for about 30 seconds. We'll add the spices at this point. So this is cumin, sweet paprika, cayenne for a little bit of heat. Oregano, couple of bay leaves. Let's cook it We'll deglaze this with white wine and evaporate the liquid as much as possible. Has a beautiful smell of cumin, the oregano, we'll add the tomatoes. So I have 2 cans of tomatoes. We'll mix this. Salt. We'll adjust the seasoning later on. A little bit of pepper. You can see this has come to a boil. So we'll put the pork back on. The oven is at 250. We'll cover this and cook it for 3 hours. It's about 3 hours. We took out the pork. You can see here. So we took out the pork. We'll slice it. And we are cooking the gravy here. The gravy will add a can of black beans to this. And some olives, and we'll reduce this and we'll serve it with sliced pork. Ropa Vieja is ready. It is it's a dish from Panama. I decided not to shred the pork. I wanted to keep the slices. So this is it. Hope you like the dish. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bon appetit. See you next week.